Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your command prompt opening and closing itself. So the very first thing you should do is come below at the software, type in Startup Apps. You will see Startup Apps under System Settings, open it. And likewise, you will see all the startup application that opens when you restart or launch your PC. If you see any suspicious application here, you may go ahead and toggle it off. Once you do so, close this. Now here, come below at the software again, and then here search for sysdm.cpl. You see it under Control Panel Items, open it. Once done, click on Advanced. Then here you will see Environment Variables, open it. Come below, click on Path, then Edit. And likewise, you will see New. Click onto it and then exactly paste what you see here, that is C Windows SYS Wall 64. Once done, OK. Now, once you have done that, you have to restart your PC and this shall fix your problem.